So I'm going to show you when you have one card or multiple cards how to check how many loans you're allowed, how many holds you're allowed, and how many you're actively using. So in this account that I'm using as my example, I only have one card loaded. I'm on my landing page, which is the 3 books, or actually that's 2 books in 1 book. You can see I only have one card borrowed, one card available to borrow on. So if I go to the magnifying glass and I click on my card up here, this blue icon, it pops up to tell me how many loans I currently have out from this specific library and how many holds I have from this specific library. Obviously on this account, they're not using many cards, they're not using many loans, they're not using many holds. But if you are someone whose library has long hold times, you might easily use more than 25 holds as you wait to get access to the books you're interested in. So if you are somebody who has more than one card, here's another example. Again, I'm on my home page with the 2 books. This account has multiple cards loaded to it on purpose. I can go to the magnifying glass. Again, click which library I'm going to explore. And then I can see all the different cards I have and how many loans and how many holds I'm using from each of those cards.